I was traveling in a bus. I found a bulgy wallet, a person sitting nearby. I took the wallet over there and just kept in my bag. And everyone shouted that I am a thief, thief, thief. How can it be possible? There is a wallet over there. I just took it from his bag and kept in my bag. What is wrong in that? That is just an action, right? How can you say an action is a wrong? A bus is driving a bus. Can you say he is a thief? But on my action, how can you say that I am a thief? Yes, every action on in the brains of the people who are surrounding you may think that action can be right, can be wrong. Then what is judging them to be right or wrong? Maybe in my moral, my individual moral thinks that action is a good, but in a bus everyone thinks that that is wrong, that is ethics, because people follow ethics. I may not follow their ethics, which is like theft or say illegally taking them from something is wrong. So my action is wrong, their action is correct. So behind me there is I can say there is a value that designed me. Even behind them there are certain values they inherited from their gurus, from their mothers, from their fathers respectively, in the same way which I have done. So in our discussion for the day I will be explaining you about values after this small announcement. Unacademy UPSC toppers. Unacademy has secured more than 160 plus ranks this year, and new batches are starting from 29th of December, Mission 2022 and Expedition 2022 and 2023. We have 5 optional courses: political science, sociology, maths, philosophy, and history, and the 3 more have been started from 15th of December: management, history, and geography. And the price for 1 year is 55,523 rupees only. If you use the code VDinesh10, you will get 10% extra discount. And there is an exam on 26th and 2nd of January. The exam is for 56 questions and 60 minutes. The exam is on 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. You can write this exam in your Unacademy app. The password for the exam is VDinesh10, and you will get scholarships also. A free test series every Monday to Friday, and Monday to Friday, T20 and Abhiyan. And you have an advantage of one-to-one live monitoring, study planner, open house with educators, and flexible tenure also there if you take iconic courses subscription. Thank you. Now, what is a value? Value is a belief. Is it just a belief? Then I believe theft is correct. Values are beliefs of individual or a social group about what is held important. For me, wallet is important. Can I say wallet is, taking wallet is a correct value? No. Values tends to influence attitude and behavior. These are the common definitions that we can see in the books around us. Values, they tend us to influence. I mean to say, the value which I learned from my mother, father, family, or maybe guru, or maybe in our school, they change us, right? They change our attitude, they change our behavior. But I'm asking, what is value? No, there is still no answer, because ethics will be like this only. At last we'll get to know what is value. Values reflect person's sense of to do right or wrong. Okay, maybe value is like a Hasmola Goli which can be sold in a shop. Is it true? Or maybe a pen drive which can be sold, because pen drive gives us space in a storage, or maybe a Hasmola Goli can give us a the taste, imli taste. But how can value tell me what is right or wrong? Tell me. I can tell you that values are core of a personality. As a person, it is like a core of a personality which are powerful in changing the attitude, changing the behavior. Okay, value means maybe a A4 sheet paper. Is it correct? A value means because values of an organization is written while I am joining a company. It means that on A4 sheet, whatever text it was written, that is value. Is it correct? Can I take that as an intrinsic value? No. Different types of values. Morals means individual instinct. Values means that design that particular moral or an ethics, right? Or it can be religious value, or a political value. I may say rightism, I may say leftism, I may say center, I may say extremism, Marxism. It can be any ism or individualism or even Ramoism, like Ram Gopal Varma's ism. Anything is like a value that changed you. Maybe I have been seeing Ram Gopal Varma movies or his interviews. I may be designed, I may be changed as per his ideas, right? That is also a value. Values give directions, right? It not only give directions, it give firmness to this body, firmness to this ideology or thought or behavior or an action. Killing a person is also an action, or shooting a person is also an action. It justifies your moral. Yes, it justifies why you have done this, because I have learned from that person how to kill. Or someone comes against me, I got to know that I have to say, please give me side. That action learned from a value from my backside. Of course my backside no one is there, but that behind me who is there, that is where acquisition of value begins. Some people say by birth. Is it possible? From birth can we acquire all the values? Not just by birth, but in a family system where you are grown, which state you are been, which latitude you are been, which area you are been, and which nation you are been. Like, as we can say, primary values learned from not just family but also experience. Values may of course vary from person to person. Even changes do happen from person to person. Values also get changed. For example, if you go to an organization, what are your values? Our organization values are delivering quality. Our mission statement is this. Our vision statement to achieve the mission statement is this. Our trust is this. We follow this ethics. We give importance to gender parity, gender equality. We want we follow constitution. We have integrity. These are all things we used to say, right, in our core values. Now at least you got what is a value. I'll tell you. Value is a family, it's a freedom, it's a loyalty, it's an intelligence, it's a connection, it's a humanity, it's a behavior, it's a change, everything. It's an action, it's a noun, it's a pronoun, it's a verb also. And of course conjunction and interjection, it won't be there. Generally it's an action. How intense an action can be, that also maybe that. You can comment on a person going there. See, he's good, that girl is good, looking good, or that boy is looking handsome. How intense you do that action. Hey girl, you're good. Can we say like that? No, that may infringe on the rights of that particular woman. We cannot say like that. So how intense your action should be there can also be learned from the value, but that is there from your back in the sense that your family, your guru, your father, your books you studied, your idol. Let's say it can be Salman Khan, it can be Shah Rukh Khan, it can be Ajay Devgan, it can be Vijay, it can be Chiranjeevi, it can be anyone. So what you learn from that, or what you learn from them, right? So courage to give life for your country. Where did you got this? From the freedom fighters. Their values, their intrinsic values is present. Intrinsic values coming just within by seeing some action. Extrinsic values, someone gives you, do better, don't do this, better do this, better, my dear citizen, don't do this. In my dear constitution says that you have to do this, you have to be like a brotherlyhood, fundamental right says me this, and fundamental duty says me this. So all this, your fundamental duties are also values, they change. Even good humor also, no, that is one thing that changed. Honesty, optimism, loyalty, kindness, positivity, everything, every action you commit is a value. Got it, dear? So this is about values. I want every one of you to subscribe to our channel and share this with your friends, and there is a description below where you can open the link and download our app UPSC Radio from Play Store. And please do share this with your friends and spread this message of ethics can be learned so easily in UPSC Radio. And UPSC Radio is the first radio podcast for UPSC in India. Thank you.